It's about 26 or 27 degrees outside, and I am making some very thin paneling out of this giant log. It's around 2 foot square, and it's about 2 foot square. Oh, it probably weighs about 1,000 pounds. It's Eastern white pine, and I am milling about half of this log into half by 24 panels. Completely bonkers. And these panels are beautiful, and they're going to be used to make a myriad of organizational crates and baskets, which is why I'm making them so thin. But yeah, nothing like a little Friday night sawmilling.